If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality ATV to keep your young rider safe and having fun, you're in the right place. In today's roundup, we're diving into the top 5 best ATVs for kids and youth available right now. Whether you're after a beginner-friendly ride for a younger adventurer or a more high-performance quad for a teen, we've got something that'll suit their needs perfectly. You'll find all the product links mentioned in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Hype Tech Picks for more top-rated tools and gear. All right, let's get into it. Number 1, Razor Dirt Quad ATV. If you're introducing your child to the world of off-road riding, the Razor Dirt Quad is a fantastic place to start. Built like a scaled-down version of an adult ATV, this compact powerhouse delivers just the right mix of thrill and control. A variable speed, twist-grip throttle gives riders smooth acceleration up to 8 miles per hour, and a hand-operated rear disc brake makes stopping on a dime easy, even on bumpy trails. Its 12-inch knobby tires are designed for dirt, grass, gravel, you name it, while the powder-coated steel frame holds up against knocks, bumps, and muddy adventures. The shatter-resistant plastic fairings and front brush bar add to the durability, making it a true kid-proof vehicle. Power comes from a 24V battery system, delivering up to 40 minutes of ride time on a full charge. Plenty for backyard fun or trail cruising. It's built for kids ages 8 and up, and the intuitive controls make it easy for beginners to learn without feeling overwhelmed. In short, the Razor Dirt Quad hits that sweet spot between fun and safety. Perfect for young riders starting their off-road journey. Number 2, Droyd Electric ATV Droid Fury. Next up, we've got the Droid Fury, an electric ATV that's all about combining power, battery life, and peace of mind for parents. It features a 500W brushless motor and a 36V lithium-ion battery, giving riders up to 10 miles of range, or about 45 to 60 minutes of ride time, depending on how aggressive the ride is. Whether it's a backyard bash or a trail session, this ATV keeps the fun going. What makes the Droid stand out is its dual speed settings. Parents can cap the speed at 10 miles per hour for beginners, or bump it up to 15 miles per hour for more experienced riders. It's UL 2272 certified for safety, so you can feel confident in its quality. Comfort is built right in with tubeless all-terrain tires, a dual suspension system, and ergonomic seating suited for kids ages 6 and up. With a weight limit of 150 pounds. The impact-resistant body panels and easy throttle control make it tough, user-friendly, and adaptable to various skill levels. For a solid electric ATV that grows with your kid and keeps safety in focus, the Droid Fury is an excellent pick. Number 3, PRO Storm 125 cubic centimeters gas ATV. If you're leaning toward a gas-powered option, the PRO Storm 125 cubic centimeters delivers the excitement without skimping on safety. At its core is a dependable 4-stroke 125 cubic centimeters engine, built for smoother rides and less maintenance. It features an enhanced cooling system to prevent overheating, something many budget models overlook. The turning radius is a standout feature, only 2.25 meters, which is about 30% tighter than most quads in its class. That means better handling for young riders learning to steer confidently through curves and trails. For peace of mind, you get a remote kill switch that works from up to 20 meters away, perfect for supervising younger kids. Plus, a speed governor lets you cap speeds as low as 5 kilometers per hour, giving your child the room to grow at their own pace. The frame and swing arm have been upgraded with steel casting, making this ATV tough enough for daily adventures. With easy-to-use controls, it's beginner-friendly yet powerful enough to keep things exciting. If you want a gas ATV that's safe, sturdy, and built to last, the PRO Storm is hard to beat. Number 4, Coleman at 125Y gas ATV. Coming in next, the Coleman at 125Y is a rugged, adventure-ready gas-powered ATV that offers solid performance and dependability. It's powered by a 120 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine that runs cool and efficient, while the air-cooled single-cylinder design ensures it's built for the long haul. This ATV's heavy-duty frame is built to handle everything from rocky trails to backyard dirt paths. Hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear deliver strong, reliable stopping power, rain or shine. Meanwhile, the independent front suspension with double shocks, plus a rear monoshock, smooths out those bumpier rides for extra confidence and comfort. For parents, one of the best features is the remote kill switch, a quick safety override that lets you shut off the engine in seconds. The electric start system is a bonus too, no wrestling with pull cords. Add in bright LED headlights for better visibility, and you've got a well-rounded machine that's safe, capable, and easy to manage. The Coleman at 125Y is ideal for families looking for a durable, gas-powered ride that delivers a balanced mix of fun and safety. Number 5, Coleman at 200 or 169 cubic centimeters youth ATV. And finally, for older or more experienced youth riders, the Coleman at 200 takes things up a notch. This model sports a 169 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that's built to handle serious off-road terrain with smooth acceleration and consistent power delivery. If your teen is ready to upgrade from a beginner quad, this one's a worthy next step. Built on a heavy-duty frame, the AT200 can handle rougher rides without feeling flimsy. It's got hydraulic disc brakes front and back, giving it excellent control even at higher speeds. The ride is smooth and controlled thanks to the independent front suspension with dual shocks and an adjustable rear monoshock, great for taming bumpy trails. One of the coolest features? A digital speedometer that shows your speed, RPM, gear position, and engine temp, giving the rider real-time insights and adding a layer of tech-savvy safety. Other thoughtful touches include electric start and LED headlights for night rides or low-light conditions. If your teen is looking to level up their off-road game, the Coleman at 200 brings the speed, durability, and advanced features to match. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best ATVs for kids and youth. Whether you're shopping for a first ATV or upgrading to something with more power and features, there's something on this list to match your child's age, skill level, and sense of adventure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on our latest gear picks.